And welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that you should keep trying until we get it right. Let's start our trial for today. Let's do some more questions from the Olympiad question paper set C for class 8 and understand how to solve different kind of questions that come in Olympiad. If you're watching my videos and liking them, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics. Let's start. Let's do this question. The value of 125 by 343 raised to the power of minus 2 by 3 divided by this particular fraction here, huge one, plus this is how much we need to find out. So first let's solve this one, simplify this particular exponential power here. So this is actually what 125 is 5 cube and 343 is nothing but 7 cube. So raise to the power of minus 2 by 3. So this will be equal to 5, 3 into minus 2 by 3. When it's like this, a raised to the power m, again the whole thing is raised to the power of n. Then what do? We do multiplication of m into n, that is the multiplication of the exponential power. So here also 3 into minus 2 by 3 we can do. Similarly here this will be 7 raised to the power 3 into minus 2 by 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So what remains is 5 raised to the power minus 2 divided by 7 raised to the power of minus 2. Now I can flip them to get positive exponential power. So it will be 7 square by 5 square. Now this is done. Let's solve this one. I'll just do the denominator part first. So 625 is how much? 5 raised to the power 4. Similarly 2401 is 7 raised to the power of 4. And this is again whole raised to the power of 1 by 4. Similarly we'll just multiply the exponential powers here. So it will be 5, 4 into 1 by 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 7, 4 raised to the power of 1 by 4. So this again 4 and 4 get cancelled. What remains is 5 by 7. Now 1 raised to the power of 5 by 7. This is how it is actually now after simplification. Now it's actually what? 1 divided by 5 by 7. So it is 1 into 7 by 5. So it will be equal to 7 by 5. Right? So here it will be 7 by 5. Now we will do the third exponential power here. Now it is what? 49. 49 is what? 7 square. Now square root, I can also write this raised to the power of half, right? And we have 125 which is 5 cube, and we have, and then 125 cube root is what we need to find. So I can write also like this 1 by 3. So if you see here 7, 2 into half, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Similarly 5, 3 into 1 by 3. So this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. What remains is 7 by 5. Now we will write it with this division and this plus operator in between. So what do we have? 7 square by 5 square divided by 7 by 5 plus 7 by 5. 7 square by 5 square into 5 by 7 plus 7 by 5. So 5 and actually what will happen if I try to cancel out? It's actually 5 square minus 1. So only 5 will remain. Similarly 7 square minus 1. So only 1 7 will remain. So what it is? 7 by 5 plus 7 by 5, which is actually nothing but 14 by 5. Now let's look at the options. There is no 14 by 5. 12 by 5 is there. 17 by 5 is there. 5 by 19 is there. But I think D, none of these is the correct answer for this particular question. Number 16. So let's do this simple question from probability. This question says in a survey of 500 students, it was found that 380 liked cricket while rest dislike it. From these students, one is chosen at random. The probability that a chosen student dislikes cricket is what? So our sample space consists of students who do not like cricket. So 380 like means we need to do 500 minus 380 we need to do to understand how many children do not like it. So obviously answer is 120. So 120 is this our sample space divided by total sample space, which is total number of students, which is 500. So if you cancel it out, you get 6 by 25, and option B is the correct answer for question number 17. It's a very simple question. Let's do this question, which is from simplification. 5 plus 1 by 2 into this entire thing. So let's solve first the bar bracket. According to the rule, BODMAS rule, we need to solve the bar bracket first. So let's go writing until we reach the bar bracket. So it will be 5 minus 3, which is 2. So 10 plus 2 will be 12. So I'll write here 12. 38 minus 12 plus 1 by 3 into 24 minus 5. Right? Now let's solve this one. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. So multiplication we solved it. Now 5 plus half into 38 minus 12. How much it will be? It will be 26. 26 plus 1 into 8 is 8. So 26 plus 8 is 34. So 34 here minus 5. So now 2 into this 34. So 17 will be there. 17 will be here. So 5 plus 17 is 22. 22 minus 5 is 17. So option A is the correct answer for question number 18. Now let's do question number 19. The sum of two consecutive natural numbers is 55. Which of the following represents the above statement? So if one will be x, the other can be written as x plus 1. There is no issue with that. Their sum will be 55. Now if I take the smaller number as x plus 1, I can take the next number as x plus 2, then both their sum will be equal to 55. Option B is also correct. Now if I take the bigger number as x, then the previous the number before, which is consecutive to x, will be x minus 1. So their sum will be also be 55. So D, all of this is the correct answer for question number 19. So let's go to question number 20. Divide the sum of 2 by 3 and minus 8 by 9 by the product of this, and what we need to find out which will be the correct result. So let's start solving. 2 by 3 plus minus 8 by 9. It is a question from rational numbers. So fairly easy question. Only thing is that we should not make mistakes while solving the question. So this needs to be divided by the product of this and this. So what is minus 2 by 9? If I write it in improper way, then that will be minus 11 by 9, right? Minus 11 by 9 into 5 by 3. So this will be 2 by 3 minus plus outside the bracket minus inside. So when I open this round brackets, it will be minus. Different signs means I need to take as minus, divided by minus 55. 11 to 5 is 55 and 9 into 3 will be 27. So here if you see 3 and 9, denominator we will get 9 as LCM. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, 3 into 6, 3 into 2 is 6. 6 minus 8 divided by minus 55 by 27. So this will be minus 2 by 9 into 27, actually minus 27 by 55. So I can write the minus in the numerator or in the denominator. Let me put in the denominator to remove any kind of doubts. So here minus, they will both get cancelled out the negative sign. So 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. What remains is 2 into 3, 6 in the numerator and 55 in the denominator. So answer is 6 by 55, option A for question number 20. What value of P will make the equation true? So this is the expression. We need to find out what will be the value of P. So 3P plus 7 will be 3P plus 21, applying the distribution law. Then minus 3 is equal to 2P plus 10 minus P plus 6, right? So 21 minus 3 is 18, 3P plus 18 is equal to 2P plus, sorry, why should I write 2P? 2P minus P is P. So P plus 10 minus 10 plus 6 is 16. So now it is 3P minus P is equal to 16 minus 8. So which is 2P is equal to minus 2. Therefore P is equal to minus 2 by 2. It will be minus 1. So option C is the correct answer for question number 21. Okay, now let's solve question number 22 as well. Find the value of A plus B if PQRS is a parallelogram. I read you the parallelogram here for clear visibility. We have been given this angle here 100 degree, these two angles here 40 degree and 30 degree. Now what will be the angle B? That this is first thing that we can easily find out with even without calculation. If you have learnt your this thing lines and angles properly in class 7, there will be no doubt. Here these are two SR and PQ are two parallel lines since they are part of a parallelogram, and this diagonal PR is like a transversal. So if this is 30 degree, obviously this angle B will also be equal to 30 degree. Now if this is 30 degree here, B is 30 degree, what will be this angle? This angle, if you see like this, these two are also parallel lines. I'm talking about PS and QR, and SQ is acting like a transversal. So if this is 40 here, this is also 40 degree, right? Because and the whole angle are same. So if this is 30 degree, this entire angle is 70 degree, this entire angle is also 70 degree, which is true in case of opposite angles. In case of a parallelogram, they are same. Now if this is 100 degree here, this SQ is a line, so obviously this 100 degree here and this one is forming a linear pair, so this will be 80 degree. Now we can use triangle angle sum theory to find A. A will be equal to 180 minus 80 plus 40. So which is equal to 180 minus 120. So A will be equal to 60 degree. This angle A is 60 degree and B is equal to 30 degree. So total sum of A plus B will be equal to 90 degree, obviously. So option A is the correct answer. It's already ticked in the answer. So let's do question number 23. What percentage of the given figure is unshaded? So let's find out how many parts are shaded. You can find out also the opposite, unshaded. I'm just going to go the shaded way. So this here, these two will form one angle 1. These two here will form second square. I'm talking square. And then these two here will form the third square. Then we have here these 4 and 4 together, they will form 4 squares. So instead of 2 and 3, I'll write 1 1, because for adding it should not be 2 and 3, 1 1 plus 4 for this fourth shaded regions. And then we have got 2 full squares, so 2 more. So 1 2 3 7 8 9, 9 are totally shaded. Out of how many? 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 25. So 9 by 25 is shaded. Then how many are unshaded? Definitely 16 by 25. So I just percentage means I'll multiply 25. So I just multiply 100 to make it percentage. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. 16 into 4 is 64%. So option D is the correct answer for question number 23. Let's do question number 24. The curved surface area of a cylinder is 264 centimeter square and its volume is 462 centimeter cube. Find the diameter of the base of a cylinder. So curved surface area is 2 pi RH and volume is 462. So what is the formula for volume? Pi r square h. And what is the formula for curved surface area? 2 pi RH. So we'll divide both of them. 462 divided by 264, right? Volume of a cylinder is pi square h and curved surface area for a cylinder is 2 pi r h. So if we divide on the left hand side, we will be left with only r by 2. So r by 2 is equal to 462 by 264. So I'll just remove this 2 and bring it this side. So it will be 462 into 2 by 264. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 are 4. Then we can do with 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, then 2 2s are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 1s are 2. 3 22s are 66. Similarly, 3 77s are 21. So 11 2s are 22, 11 7s are 77. So radius is 7 by 2 or centimeter, or we can write it as 3.5 centimeter. Then it is asking diameter. Diameter will be double of radius. So 2 into r, which is 2 into 3.5. So it is 7 centimeter. So option B is the correct answer for this particular question number 24. Let's do question number 25. If the mean of uh, 2, 10, 16, 6, 20, y and 22, 14, 19 is 13 and the mean of these numbers along with y and x is 6.4, then find the value of x. So this is actually purely calculation question, nothing to be done. So 2 plus 10 is 12, 12 plus 16 is 28, 28 plus 16 is 34, 34 plus 24 is 54, 54 plus 22 is 76. So 76 plus y is the sum of all these numbers given here. Okay, 14 and 9 is also there. Sorry, I forgot 14 and 19. So if I add this 14 and 19, that will be 23. So 23 plus 76 will be 99. 99 plus y. So mean means divided by the total number of sample space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is equal to 13. Okay. So now we have to find the value of y. So y will be equal to 13 into 9. First we need to do 13 into 9 minus 99. So what will be 13 into 9? 9 3s are 27 and 117 minus 99. So 17 minus 9 is 8. So what remains is 10 minus 9. So 18. Y value will be equal to 18. Now we will use the y value here. So it is, we'll add this numbers here. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 18 is 23. 23 plus 4 is 27. 27 plus y divided by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 5 is equal to 6.4. So 27 plus y is equal to 32. So y will be equal to 32 minus 27. Therefore, yeah, sorry, I should write here x instead of y. So because y value we have already added up and written this 27 here. So only variable left is x. So x is equal to 32 minus 7, which is 5. So x value will equal to 5, which is option D.